welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today we are working with UNICE. They sent me over this beautiful 7x5 highlighted balayage closure wig. It is so gorgeous. It's 24 inches. I installed this baby in seconds. I put a little twist on it at the end. If you guys want to see me unbox this wig and install it, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, y'all. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this wig install because where do you think I'm going? Comment below. Let's talk about it. Guys, we're back. So we are working with UNICE. Let's go ahead and get into this wig, y'all. So first you're gonna get your goodie bag. We got some nails, a melting band, and of course some wig caps. We have our wig packaged like so. We do have a 7x5 bye-bye knots wig. It is 24 inches. It's body wave with the highlighted balayage. So we've got our little bye-bye stickers, and this just helps you secure your wig. You can put it right underneath your lace. Also, you have your adjustable elastic band that we'll put on after we get into this wig, honey. So here is the wig. All right, so we've got our bye-bye knots wig. Look at the highlight, the balayage on this. This is gorgeous. It looks like it's already pre-curled. Look at these curls, y'all. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's get into the lace. It's already plucked, y'all. As you can see, the knots are bleached as well, and it's 7 inches left to right, and then it's 5 inches deep. I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to install this. Let's get into the structure of this wig. Look at the crown on here. Look at all this parting space. This is crazy. We have our elastic band. We also have the adjustable straps, and they also have the smart cap is what they call it, when you have like the grip strip around that adjusts to any head shape. So we've got that going on, which is really, really convenient. So as you can see, it adjusts. If your head's a little bit bigger, it's gonna fit really, really comfortable on you. And then also, if you guys can see right here, it has the little C shape, and this is what's gonna go behind your ears, so it's not gonna irritate you, because I know how that can be very, very uncomfortable. So let's go ahead and get into these knots. Look how this lace is on my hand. It is literally melting, you guys. It looks so freaking good. It is going to melt. And they have upgraded their knots on their lace, and as you can see, the upgrade is upgrading. Excuse me. I'm gonna go ahead and just see how this looks after just putting this right on my head with no extra maintenance, because this is supposed to be a put on and go type of situation. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so the wig's on. Oh, let me push this back a little bit. Okay, I definitely need to adjust my my part, because my part is definitely going that way, and I need a hot comb a little bit. But let's go ahead and comb out these curls. Let's comb out these curls a little bit. Let's finger comb these curls out. Straight out of the package and finger combing the curls out, honestly, it looks decent. This is straight out the package and just finger combing the curls out. Can we get a round of applause? Let's get a round of applause, please. Yes. Okay, not too bad, not too shabby at all. Oh my gosh, y'all want to see the back real quick? Let me show y'all the back real quick. Honestly, it looks really, really good. Comment below. Tell me how you guys feel about this straight out the package without having to do nothing to it. The curls look nice and voluminous. Honestly, they're giving, I'm about to go to a gala I'm about to go to a gala or something. Let me know how you guys feel about this in the comments below. But what I'm about to do is I want to switch it up a little bit because I've been wearing a middle part for a little bit. I think I'm gonna do a little a side part over here and spruce up these curls and throw a little layer in. And see what I can do with this because I really like these highlights. And this is my favorite type of wig, honestly. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and style this up and lay this, and then we're gonna come back. I'm gonna come back at the very end with my final thoughts. I finished. I went ahead and put it in a deep side part, did a little baby hair swoop, came out real nice. Hairline looks real good, nice and neat. Came out pretty freaking flat, as you can see. Curls curling, I just used my curling wand, and then I laid the wig down so I could, you know, wear it for a couple of days. But it looks so good. The highlights look amazing. I love them. I haven't done the side part in a little bit, so I actually really like it. I love the way that it turned out. Again, this wig is a 7x5 closure. I installed this real quick, a matter of seconds with no glue. And then I decided to do this little ensemble. So it is ready to go straight out of the package. It is Body Wave. This is a ombre, this is a highlighted balayage. It's 24 inches. I didn't have to put any foundation or anything on the parting at all. So that looks really good. It came with the lace already cut. The hairline was already plucked and the knots were already bleached. So outstanding. I really love it. The quality of this wig looks really good. The curls look good. The hair feels great. It looks amazing. I feel like I'm about to go somewhere and I ain't going nowhere. So comment below, tell me what you guys think about this wig. Again, I want to thank UNICE Hair for sponsoring this video and sending over this wig to me. Make sure you guys check it out. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I will definitely be responding. Thank you everybody for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.